just some notes about before you start, making sure that you have adequate power for what you want to do, like depending on how long you'll be recording. Your batteries, make sure your phone is charged, you plug in your laptop. If you're using your phone to record audio, just make sure to put it in a stable place. You don't want it to move while it's recording. And also if there's anything around, like if it's on a tabletop, if there's anything that will make noise on the table, that will end up in your recording, depending on the sensitivity of the mic. Most mics, even a low quality microphone, they're gonna pick up things that you don't want. One thing that I commonly saw in field production for government meetings is people would tap the table to emphasize a point, and you could hear this sort of sproing sound, and it was the vibration traveling up the neck of the microphone to the mic. So it's just something to consider about what surface you place your microphone or your phone as a recording device on. Some people will absently sort of rock in a chair or spin or move their chair around, things like that. Just be aware that you're more likely to generate noises if you're moving.